Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bakal air hamsaya kala Portstead ba uba Neil Antonio War. Am ya koncho ya ke election MDC na po lai mukra Malki constituency. Nagalang uba Antonio ulakan tak war ya kini kejing penpor kubor lamler. Daki kenhon ki bayu kon persya ya u hakani ke election MDC. Kaban salong haka arpenyo terek ubenai rempang menta arajar kat kendai. Ya kani uba Neil Antonio War ulapan pau haka jing keren bat kinong putai kubor. Haka sau terek menta ubenai rempang arajar kat kendai ubalong ru ukertong jong keseng United Democratic Party.
Semua kadai ba namar ba kadon kami kajing ya keren serum seneng ba iba Antonio ilapang iba Antonio inu mela election show ba Antonio idang don hospital te na terda ngi mutasi snow ba khmat fi media ni la yang dekat hani ba Antonio dah jadi nak lain keramal ki bisik kamsa konstitusi bali don hani ba insakren ni fi tak ada gawe te ni nakaliang jong parti saya Dr. Jimido kemudian sekretari Insa Matai dan Kali dan Department tip ngila we have geared in every respect ngila create na dong sudong te ngin sa ay piru ya ka manifesto ka bangala om hiba debit menyen ba kawin kita kami ya manifesto ngila create ya ka manifesto mentah katayo ngila laban mentah katayo ngila laban release ya manifesto
Syong hanya khmat jong fi baro men pentikna bangan contest second elections kawan wan but ya ka sengi bangin di file nomination ng labu ka new tarik di kasyong menta ngaklami atri bahaya konstituensi dari katan sem lah idon namta bar konstituensi tengah syushani abet kinong kersian but klempep ngas ngau ba nang nish khmat ngindon ke meeting nginyo penbet ke meeting si fair ki banginya shay konstituensi syuaba nginya tabut ya ka habang ngai kran mi pai ba kyong em phi shong hayen ngitip bangi pai ba nginya tremi te ngaru ngaya tai hayen kala ka jinge pu samki bat nga sukman hang ni ba mentah ki tribun pai ba
wa na do ni kong din bang yo so ba Antonio iyo ekne ke jing sitom barokat yo shock mo ni don kata jing songsi den retang hadin kat to kat ni por pade ngi iba ila yo bor sibon ken bat mentah na kalyang jong iru kat bai lahi ilet chikini meeting ki babon aga constituency den re ke ba kham sutrat pade kalong ani ba na kalyang jong kinong karsyan baro na kalyang ke yang sem ki na kalyang do circle jong kamalki lamukra na kinong karsyan baki padbai mentah kita makihi ke balik manila election na mentah jong Antonio ken ti kani ka long ke basong tanat sibon kan ti balingi khot ekani ka press conference mentah ka long ba man pan shay pat ba namar baki don ki propaganda nakaliang tu ki kat tu kan ni snow sani setai ba Antonio mo idang don neng kajing si Tom mentah let sumar biang sagoti ba mentah ter ti kani ka long ke ba bakala kan baki mdei ban mo ban keren hakan ko kom kan apa ubriu lah syad akhlan menta hoat ka recovery ka namwan hi mo suki pasuki tenre ko makalong menta pe iwan chikne ke jingelang ki babon ki jingelang ko ilane te bat da ka jing no men sim na kalian tung pat ba na kalian ki nograsyan parti inget ba ka ni penti ko menta mo inang yo bor show bat kum ka parti mal ki la mokra ngin ya treshi tom menta sa ko ka kerteng menta na silyang bentang jong ka West China Hills ya ka kerteng jong ma Harrelson Dakar bani kun benteng na silyang bentang kani ka de ka dis ka bakhnai mo bade kani la approve na kalyang jong ka State Election Committee Harrelson Dakar
silang mentang
West China Hills
Senior Working President jongka United Democratic Party ubak bindo Matthew Lanong ulong ba kaseng UDP kam syam lasong klikti ban persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 balawan ra ka sarkar National Democratic Alliance Delhi ha ka jingkram bat kilat pathai khobor ulai tho ba ka UDP kaladan bentalang bat kiwei ki seng riulom jongka than chitila mingi ban nyatheria tai dangshen ha ka sarba Guwahati ban persya ya ka ni ka bill.
The UDP was the first. The UDP was the first to bring to the knowledge of the readers, of the public, about the fear and about the after effects of the CAB. It was printed in some dailies, and in Khasi also, in Khasi newspaper, I have given very categorically and specifying the details, even referring to the report of the Lieutenant General of retired Governor of Assam, S.K. Sinha, when he wrote a letter to the President of India in 1998 about how a sizable, large population from Bangladesh sneak into India, including Assam. So that part also was highlighted in my write-up, which was published in Khasi dailies. So therefore, it's not that we have not reacted, but we have done. BJP would like to have, to increase their vote investment. That is the cost that we all know of. They would like to increase their vote investment. That's the only thing. Without going into the details of how the country will have to bear the burden. When you have invited them, that means you have to provide them the housing colonies also. You invite and you will keep them on the railway track. Or by the bank of the Ganges River and elsewhere. You have to provide them facilities. Housing colonies, economic necessities for them. So all these things will cause a great financial burden also for the government. At the very wrong time, a few months before the election to Lok Sabha, and a very serious decision that the BJP party has and the government has taken without properly going in depth about what will be the repercussions for the country, what will be the burden of the country. So we feel that we strongly oppose, and we have demanded in that all parties meeting in Guwahati that the BJP government should drop this idea, should withdraw that bill from Parliament and take care of the population of the country the way they should, and the way it is required of from them.